Hi guys, my name is African Programmer. Welcome to your second tutorial on developing content management systems templates. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to be not going to be saying much, but I'm just going to be talking about a home tab. So let's get to this. Alright, on the home tab, but before we go to the home tab, let me say something. If you click on the file, there you see new, then it directs you to the new project and new page, new chapter, new blog post. Don't worry about this stuff. This new page, home, new chart, new blog post, I'll talk about that in this tutorial. So then if you have a recent project, you can just click on open, then save as, then export, then you can just export and stuff. But I'm not going to be talking much about this in this tutorial. I'll talk about them in the coming tutorials. So and then import, then you can import recent, maybe you've created your own artista, you have a recent project, you can just import it. Then you have preview in browser, and these are the browsers that I installed on my computer, so you can just preview and able to view on some of the on different views. Maybe you have Chrome, and you can just test it and see how the template looks in the browser. Then develop, if you want to develop a new plugin, but in this part I'm going to be talking about that in the coming tutorials, not in this tutorial. So then there's also activation, and there's also about artista. So I'm not going to say much about this. I think it's really on point, you can get you easy understood. I'm just going to click on new project. So I think I'm just going to use this one. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, bam, there you are. So on the home tab, I'd like to call it the suggestion design tab, because most of the features that are on this tab are mainly used to suggest different designs. So let's get to this. So on suggest color, you can just click on this, then it gives you a suggestion of different colors that you could use on the template. You feel me? So a different suggestion on colors. So also the same thing on suggestion fonts, it gives you a different suggestion of some other fonts that you could use. Also suggestion layout, also suggest background. So suggest background, suggest header, suggest images. So it gives you a suggestion of different designs that you could use on your tablet. So it's pretty much on point. I don't really have to do much of explaining on that. But if you have any question, you could just send it on my Facebook or my Twitter or on my email or on our website. Then you could just then I'll just get back to you. So then styles, then we also have a new page. So the new page, the main thing, if you want to create maybe like a page, something similar to this, practices, news, testimonials, these are different pages. So if you want to add your own page, you could just click on new page. Then maybe you might be having a question, okay, what's the new child page? Let's say you have a page, right? Then it has another submenu, another page, a submenu that you want to add on the page. You could just add a new child page. Then you could just link it with the main menu on the main menu, so that it comes on as a drop down, so that as a drop down. So that's the main use of the new child page. So, and also a new blog post. Maybe you want to add a new blog post on your tablet. You can just add it on new blog post. Then add new blog. Just add a new blog, and that's really on point. Doesn't really need much of suggestion. Then if you want to delete your page, you can just click on this, then you can just click on delete. I don't want to delete this, so I'm just gonna say click on no. And then there's options and export. On this part, I'm not going to be talking about options and export in this tutorial. I'll talk about in the later tutorials, because it's pretty much important for us to get to know how to design our templates before we just have to export the template. before getting to know how to design it. We have to you have to do things step by step. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. I'll be talking about colors and fonts, and if you have any questions, I'll just post it on our social media accounts. So guys, this is African Programmer. I'll see you in the next one.